Are you ready to go after that amazing lifestyle? I'm talking about how you live, how you work, how you earn, feeling good about what you do for a living, having freedom and flexibility. It's possible. Thousands of people are doing it. Did you know that 87% of the people out there despise their jobs? And most of them are not wanting to go back to that cubicle or get in a car to go to a career that they don't feel good about. Is that you? It was me. I'm Landria Onkka, best-selling, award-winning author. I have a television movie, all because 7 years ago, I quit a 20-some-year investment banking career, a successful one, because I didn't love my life. I didn't love what I was doing for a living, how I was working, and I had no flexibility. I quit everything because I went after an online education system that was going to give me the freedom I required to create that lifestyle. I've never looked back. I'm more successful now than I ever was as an investment banker. I have multiple online businesses and I still write my books, and every morning I love getting up because I'm making a positive difference on this planet. Would you like to live that kind of life? Maybe you want to simplify your life and have that flexibility so you can travel. With an online business, that's totally possible. You can learn from some of the best coaches on the planet how to create an online business step by step, like I did. No background in technology, no products or services, no experience whatsoever is required. You'll learn all of that. They'll take you from start, which is creating a blueprint, lifestyle goals to go after, not just chasing another paycheck. What does that life look like for you? You will have mentors and coaches helping you to formulate that and then giving you all the tools, all the training, the modules to create that online business and that lifestyle. It's about what you desire to do for a living, not just making the money. We know how important it is to love our lives. Is it time for you to go after that? You'll have a whole team of people helping you to create that success. You can click somewhere here on the screen or below to get free videos explaining how my mentors will take you step by step to achieve your goals, to create an online business, to give you that freedom and flexibility, and do what you love and what you feel really good about. Click somewhere here on the screen and you'll get the same video series I did, and I'll see you over there too. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. It's time to take charge, and you have all the opportunities right now thanks to an amazing digital marketplace out there that's getting bigger and more powerful. Thanks for listening. Click for your free video series. I'll see you there. Take care. Be safe out there.